Hi, I'm Dr. Scott Reid. I am an adult reconstruction surgeon here with Tulsa Bone and Joint. I had a family member, when I was young that was ill, and sort of watching that process and the way the physicians treated that family member sort of sparked my interest. And then as I got older, being injured playing sports, I ended up seeing the patient side of it a lot, and spent a significant amount of time in physical therapy and another orthopedist's care, and it really sparked my interest. Coming from a family of people that made a living with their hands, it sort of made sense. Grandfather was a carpenter, my dad was a plumber, and I don't know if that's sort of an innate quality that someone might have, but I always felt like I was fairly skilled at fixing things with my hands, and it sort of made sense to be a physician and to be able to help people using my hands would be the best way to go about it. I am very fortunate in my practice in that I deal with fairly limited number of joints. I did an extra training in adult reconstruction, which is joint replacements and reconstructive procedures of the hip, knee, and shoulder. And so the nice thing about that is it allows me to hone my expertise in those areas. So what makes my practice unique? Probably the thing that I would hang my hat on is the people that make up my team. Of all the things that I have that I can use to differentiate my practice from other people, it's my staff members, because they really make everything happen. With respect to the way we do surgery, we employ technology in our surgeries. With respect to knee replacement, we use the Mako robotic assisted surgery in a lot of our patients. With respect to hip replacements, we have a technology called XPert that allows us to be able to essentially do surgery before we do surgery. And so those are some of the things that can differentiate my practice from other people. For me, it's when Mrs. Smith comes back after I've done a hip replacement for her and she says, I feel so much better. But the most important, the most valuable thing that comes out of being an orthopedic surgeon is when somebody says, thank you, you made me feel better.